In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can turn a video in Canva to be black and white or monochrome. And here's how you can do that. First, you have to insert a video into your Canva document. You can insert a video from the Canva stock library, or you can also upload a video from your computer into Canva and then insert that into your document. I'm going to use a video from Canva stock library, and let's try this video. Let's try this video, and I'm going to put it in my document, and let's make it a little bit bigger. As you can see, this video is colorful. You can see the color yellow on the taxi. Now, in order to turn it into black and white, you can click on the edit menu, and after that you want to see the filters, click see all, and at the very bottom you have two options: grayscale and straight. There are only two presets available, and unfortunately there is no option to modify the strength or the level of the color. The thing that you can change is the intensity, but even that is very limited. So you only have two options: grayscale and straight. I'm gonna go with straight because it's a lot more contrast, and that's basically it. So it's very simple. It's really just applying that effect into this video. But remember, the effect is unique, and every clip in your Canva document could have different filters. So if I set this to be, let's say, consume half of the space, and the other video to be consuming half the space, I could in theory make this video to be colorful, to be normal. So let's click none, and we got this result. So there you go. That's how you can turn a normal colorful video into black and white in Canva. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.